Hey there, it's Claire. Welcome to our channel where we transform complicated cooking into easy and fun experiences. Today, we will create magic with 4 simple dishes. Are you ready? So let's get started. Did you like our show today? Please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and share our program with your friends. Don't worry if you can't find some ingredients. You can always replace specific vegetables or spices, like Chinese 13-spice powder or Cajun spice, with similar items you have. Keep your eyes on this channel, as we'll keep bringing you more exciting content. Bye for now.